guys, welcome back. We're going to try a couple of different cases here. If you notice the function negative 4y equals 12, we're going to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept, and we're going to do it the same way. Only when I do the x-intercept and I let my y be 0, you're going to see that I end up with 0 is equal to 12 because I plug in for y equals 0. So that means I actually do not have an x-intercept. So there is no x-intercept. All right? But for my y-intercept, when I let x be 0, because there is no x, I'm left with negative 4y is equal to 12. And when I divide by negative 4, I end up with y is equal to negative, whoops, this is negative 4. I end up with y is equal to negative 3. So my y-intercept is at 0, negative 3. So when I graph it, the point, it will be right here. So we know the line crosses the y-axis, but it never crosses the x-axis. And that's because this is a special case of a horizontal line. So this horizontal line, we'll learn about this later, okay? We'll continue on and on and on, and it will never, ever cross the x-axis. Okay, so moving on to number 8, kind of similar, only now we've got 2x is equal to 8. So when we find our x-intercept, we're going to let the y be 0. In this case, there is no y, so 2x is equal to 8. And our x is going to be equal to 4. When we divide both sides by 2, our x is equal to 4. So we've got 4, 0 as our x-intercept. So if you notice, this actually, and if we try to do our y-intercept, we let x be 0. And in that case, all right, 2 times 0 is equal to 8, which ends up with 0 equals 8. That's not true. We don't have a y-intercept. So in the case of not having y-intercept, it's actually because we have a vertical line that's going to go up and down here, and it's never going to cross the y-axis. So those are our two special cases. We have a horizontal line back here with this example, and then we have our vertical line. Okay, notice with the horizontal line, okay, it's in a situation where your y is going to be equal to negative 3. You only have a y variable. But if you only have an x variable, like in number 8, you know you're going to have a vertical line because you're never going to cross the y-axis. Okay, why don't you do some practice problems?